Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Forms for attendance. So first, you may want to head over to forms.microsoft.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your Microsoft account. And from here, we're just going to start by clicking on registration. And from the left panel, you can see here variety of pre-made templates that you can choose or you can use. And to use Microsoft Forms for attendance, we can start by choosing this attendee confirmation survey. This can help us gather information about the attendee or even your students, class attendance. And from here, you can start by replacing or customizing the title of this attendance form. And you can also start editing questions and fields that you need to get from your respondents. You can start by asking them the date that they are currently or will attend, and of course, their name, in which department are they from, phone number, email address. This field is optional, but you can also add this for your attendance form. And as you can see, pre-made questions and fields created here are all useful and applicable when you're creating attendance forms. Once you're done editing and customizing your attendance form, you can proceed by collecting responses. Just copy the link to your form and share it with your respondents. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!